that, live captions are now available for every Zoom user. In this video, I will show you how to save captions automatically if you are host or participant. Let's start with finding settings in Zoom. Settings. In Meeting Advanced. Here you will see Closed Captioning toggle. Make sure you turn on Allow Live Transcription Service to transcribe meeting automatically and click Save. Now Google Tactic Chrome extension. You will be on this page and you will see the Install button. When you install, don't forget to turn on Zoom toggle and log in with Google. Now let's go and join meeting to see how it works. Here is the Zoom meeting. Yes, now everything is saved to Tactic, and you can find all your meetings later on inside the Tactic, also with the links to Google Drive. That's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and happy meeting!